The neutral grip standing overhead cable front raise primarily targets the anterior deltoids, which are the muscles on the front of the shoulders, as well as the upper chest and trapezius. By raising your arms past parallel to overhead, it increases the range of motion. When using the cable machine, it allows you to move your hands behind your body at the bottom of the lift, which allows for a better stretch in the front delt when compared to doing the standing overhead easy bar underhand front raise. If you feel joint pain as you raise the weight overhead, you can also stop once you reach parallel to the floor. To get started, set the cable pulleys to the low setting. I prefer to grip the end of the cable attachment point without a handle, as this allows you to complete the front raise using a neutral grip. For the stance, you can use a staggered or hip width stance. With your core engaged and chest up, exhale as you lift the weight directly in front of you with your arms extended while maintaining a slight bend in your elbows. Lift the cables overhead as you focus on contracting your front shoulder muscles. Inhale as you slowly lower the cables back down behind your body to feel a good stretch in the front delts, in a slow and controlled manner, keeping your chest up. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.